Welcome to the Simplified Logic tutorial on Nitro-PROGRAM. In this video, we will discuss if-ENDIF logic. In previous videos on Pro-Program, we had discussed this parameter called whole state and why we recreate it as a string rather than a Boolean. A Boolean only allows for something to be either a yes or a no. If we use a string value instead, that gives us a lot more flexibility with our design. So now what I'm going to do is use whole state with some logic to control the whole states in our model. So we'll start Nitro-PROGRAM. Bring this over here, and I'm going to click Export Program, and again it's going to connect to whatever model is in my Creo Pro session. Okay, so let's come down to hole. This is my center hole. So I'm just going to right click on that, and now I've got some options. I can add an if-ENDIF statement, add an interact, or I can actually even rename the feature from here. So let's choose add if-ENDIF, and the if pops in above that feature, the ENDIF pops in below it. No need to worry about, like you would in Pro-Program, where the beginning of the feature was and the end of the feature. So now I'm just going to double click on this if statement, and it's waiting for me to put some information in here. So I'm just going to right click on those dots and right click and say parameters. I'm going to come down and say whole state, and we'll say if whole state is equal to sen, I want that hole to come on. So I'll click save, and now you can see the statement is complete with my if and my endif. I'll come up to import program, and you can see my center hole disappears. And the reason why it disappears is because my current setting for whole state is equal to yes. So I'll come up here and hit regenerate, enter, and I'll pick whole state, done select, and it gives me the current value of yes. And now I'll just type in sen here, and my hole comes back. Please check out other video tutorials from Simplified Logic or visit our website at simplifiedlogic.com.